Alright, today I'm going to show you how I designed and built the bed for the back of this van. It's actually really pretty darn cool. So, I think I call this T-track along here. You can put clamps and hooks in it and whatever else, but it's bolted to the wall with a steel foot on it, so it's nice and strong. And then I have these bed cross members that go in, and I have them marked 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just put one right in there like that. Right in there. Like that. That locks in. I got 4 of them. And I'll put this one at the seam for my first piece of wood. So I've got my wood in here. I've also got it marked. Front. And it points towards the front. So it goes in this way. But I just bring it in here. I have to gently put it outside the window. And then it just goes right down in. Just like that. That might slide up a little bit more. There you go. So the seam is right in the middle there. So now I'll get my next piece of wood so I know where. Another cool thing is I've got hooks on here so I can hang gear bags and hang helmets and stuff. I'm just going to go in here like this. Same idea. And that comes back in. I know right where this piece goes. Put that in. Now that's in nice and strong, and then I can just put this back one on the last hook. Put that in like that. Alright, so basically to put this last piece in, it's easiest to go from the front. Windows. Climb right underneath. And then it just slides in the back and drops down. So now you can see the bed's all in place. We've got 4 nice strong supports on it. So then another thing about this is you can sit in these chairs without the bed interfering your head, or you can just quickly pop it up, slide it back a little ways. These holes are designed for me to put straps down through it and strap it in, so in case of like a seat belt. So a seat belt for the bed, I can put a ratchet strap down through there and tighten it up and hold it. But anyway, that's the clearance. When you're sitting here, it's kind of out of the way. Like I said, we got 4 chairs, and then we've got another chair that goes in the back. And then another super cool feature I'm going to show you here in a second. Alright, the other thing about this bed, it's built for bicycles to go underneath it and then still have, you know, plenty of headroom once you put a mattress on there to sleep underneath it. But I'll show you my bike rack. This is a dirt jumper, but full-size mountain bikes or full-size road bikes will go in easy with this type of rack that I built. Yeah, so with this rack, with bigger bikes, I have different size mounts for the front wheels. You can just take the front wheel off and put it in that rack, and the bars will go underneath and between these tubes for really big bikes. But we've had 5 full-size mountain bikes in this before, and the nice thing is it's just all locked up and out of sight. Alright, so if we take a look at it, the bed is 6 feet long exactly and 5'8" wide, so it's a pretty good sized bed. And then the clearance between the bed and the roof is 30 inches, and the clearance between the bottom of the bed and the floor is 43 inches. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.